Model Context Protocol just crossed 97 million installs. The Linux Foundation took it under open governance. This is the TCP/IP moment for AI agents. MCP started as an Anthropic experiment. Now it is industry standard. Every major AI provider ships MCP-compatible tooling. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, all on board. Why does this matter? MCP is how AI agents connect to tools, APIs, and data sources. It is the USB port for AI. Before MCP, every agent needed custom integration code for every tool. Now there is one protocol. 97 million installs in 18 months from zero. That adoption curve is faster than Docker, faster than Kubernetes. AgenticNode lets you connect MCP tools visually. Drag, drop, wire. Supabase MCP, GitHub MCP, Playwright MCP, they all plug in. Build agent workflows without writing integration code. Start building at AgenticNode.io. More at endofcoding.